Next, we're going to add some additional content to our topic and also change the appearance of the topic as well as move some of the topics around. So here we are again at our launch screen under Schedule and Performance. I'm going to move back into my class and then move over to the topic screen. As you can see, my topic that I created in the last lesson is down here at the bottom. Well, I think I want to move that up since that's going to be the topic we're going to be studying next. I'm going to come up here to Topic Priority and I'm going to go down to the bottom here. I can either click Top and that'll move it all the way up, or I could drag it around so you can see it's at the top. I want to put it maybe in the third spot since I want to keep course description and links all together. So I hit Save. And you can see there it is. It's right, it's my third spot on my topics board. Well, now what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and do some editing. So you can see that I've got this pencil here, and that'll take me back to that screen that I was using before. Well, there is, in addition to the image and title, there's some other things that we can get out of here. They're very useful. This is really where it has its power. Audio, downloads, links, photos, text, videos, and embed codes. So let's start off with text. So I'm just going to grab a text box and place it right over here. And you can see that little square. And if I let go, I get a chance to add some text. Now I copied some text in earlier, and so I'm just going to paste that in. And you can do some basic things with the text. You've got bold, italics, underline, and so forth. You can also paste stuff in from a Word document, and you can even make hyperlinks to it. But anyway, I'll just use that text there and hit Save. And you can see it also puts, it'll just place that text right in the text box. So that's good for a lot of times for organization. The next type of content I'd like to put in there is, let's go with a link. A lot of times you may want to put in a link to a web page or maybe to a video. So I can give it a title, and I could call this one Jupiter and Pluto. I need the URL, which is basically the website of that page. So I'm just going to go up to this YouTube video that I found, and I'm going to go grab that. So I highlight that, triple click, and then Command C is copy. That's also edit, copy. And you can, by the way, just this kind of fun thing, you can always see these are the shortcuts right there. So I just did copy, go back to my screen, paste that in, Command V, and then hit Save. And you can see now I've got a link to that YouTube video. It'll actually take me to the page of that YouTube video. Okay? That's one way of doing it. And so if we want to preview it real quickly, you can see this is what it looks like. And if I click on this, that'll actually take me to that page. And it will start playing that YouTube video. So we'll pop out of there, come back to our page. Another way of doing this is through the embed code, and I was talking about using an embed code so you can actually see the video on your topic page itself. And so I'll come down here and we'll grab that embed, drag it over. Actually, we'll put it on top there and let go. And again, we can do Pluto. Go down here to embed code. The way you get an embed code from a YouTube video is you go down to where it says share. Now many other video websites with video have different ways of sharing, and they may even say embed right away, but nonetheless, all you do is you find the embed code, and it's highlighted already, so we can go ahead and hit copy, come back to our page and just paste that in there. And as I said in the class, you can always change the width and height of this to make it fit your topic page. So I'm going to save that. And again, you really can't see anything until you hit preview. And then you can see there is the video for Pluto. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit back again. And here's where I can go in and say, I don't like the width of that. Let's make that one half as big. So that would be what, 280? Well, if I did that and I didn't change anything else, when I go here, it doesn't look perfect, but I can also change the height of that too. Whenever you play these, so if I play that video, I can always hit this full screen, and that works perfectly. So.